Welcome to the Baker Lab, home of the University of Washington's iGEM team. Graduate student and iGEM advisor Aaron Chevalier tells us more.
So iGEM, the International Genetically Engineered Machines Competition, is a competition for undergraduates and for graduate students to be advisors, where the students compete in basically biology projects.
UW undergrads work over a summer on cutting-edge research, which they then present throughout the year to panels of judges from the scientific community. This year is the fourth consecutive year UW has competed. Undergraduate researcher and member of the iGEM team, Sydney Gordon, tells us more about UW's past with iGEM.
The first team, they got like a bronze medal, which was just basically saying like they participated. The next year I think they got a gold medal, which means that they did more of the requirements of the projects, but it doesn't necessarily mean you win. And then last year we received a gold medal, and in addition to that, the team also won the category of Best Health and Medicine Project. So that was really awesome. We didn't win the overall competition, but we did win this category of Best Health and Medicine.
Past successes aside, UW could not have done much better than they did this year.
We won the regional Jamboree, and so we got to go to the World Jamboree. And there we competed in the food and energy category. We won the best in category, so we competed against other teams who basically had kind of projects, with the same themes as ours. We won the best in category, which kind of enabled us to compete against some of the other iGEM categories. And then we won the grand prize there, along with the best part, which basically, for the most part, means that we are the best, synthetic biology team in the world.
This year's team won the World Championship primarily for their projects on gluten and on diesel fuel. Here, iGEM undergraduate researcher Liz Stanley explains the Gluten Project.
Our project was we wanted to design a therapeutic to treat gluten intolerance. And essentially our goal was to design one that could be taken in pill form, and it would break down the gluten, so it would render it harmless to the digestive tract, and everyone would be able to eat gluten.
As if that wasn't enough, our team also did a project on sustainably producing diesel fuel, which iGEM undergraduate researcher Matthew Harger gives us more detail on.
Our system is to take a system that can produce alkanes, which are the main components of fuel, and just make them in bacteria, which would allow for fuel that's really compatible with today's infrastructure to be made from very simple compounds like sugars and other cellulose and other very simply obtainable compounds.
Both projects are new and cutting-edge science that could one day have a huge impact on commercial industries. Until then, iGEM is a growing program and currently recruiting for next year's team. Students from all disciplines are encouraged to join.
You don't even have to be a science major to get involved. There is something for everybody when it comes to iGEM.
It's a good program because you can have any level of experience, and you'll either gain experience or you'll have experience teaching other people and learning more about your field.
It's just really rewarding to think that your work has actually paid off to something very concrete.
Stay on the lookout for iGEM and its future endeavors.